Why settle for just a basic plain breadstick when you can add a twist? Let's get to work putting a twist on a classic family favorite. Using about 2 ounces of dough for each breadstick, you form a rope about 12 inches long. Then place your hands at each end. You twist by moving your hands in opposite directions until the rope is about 14 to 16 inches long. And then you pick up the twisted rope holding the ends, and the rope should automatically twist together. And then pinch the ends together to seal. And then you place your twisted breadsticks on a greased or parchment lined baking sheet. Now it's time to cover the breadsticks and let them rise until almost double in size. And then if you desire, you can brush the breadsticks with egg wash, which is 1 whole egg plus a tablespoon of cold water beaten together. And then you can top the breadsticks with either sesame seeds or poppy seeds or any type of seasoning, and bake in a preheated 400-degree oven 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Have fun putting a twist on your family's new favorite breadstick.